Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video presents the flight test of the Skydroid G30 and the CUAV X25. CUAV X25 EVO Controller is fully upgraded to a 10V 18V high-voltage power supply, significantly improving power supply efficiency. The baseboard has a built-in 5V15A high-power DC-DC converter, and the external interface supports 5V12A output, making it capable of powering heavy-load devices. The Skydroid G30 series adopts a Qualcomm 6nm processor and runs the Android 14 embedded system, offering smooth and stable operation. Its open ecosystem supports the installation of most applications on the market. It features a brand new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module with automatic frequency hopping and MCS dynamic adjustment, providing a maximum image and data transmission range of up to 30 kilometers. Products used in this flight test include Skydroid G30 Remote Controller, CUAV X25 EVO Flight Controller, CUAV NEO4 SE GPS. The G30 Remote Controller features a 1920x1200 screen with a 10.1-inch industrial touchscreen and a sunlight-readable display. With its ultra-high screen-to-body ratio, the user can still clearly view real-time information even under strong sunlight. Pre-flight preparation. Power on the drone, but do not install the propellers yet. Turn on the remote controller and open Skydroid G30. First, unlock the motors and check whether each motor rotates in the correct direction. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Once the pre-flight checks are complete, you can take off. G30 is Skydroid's latest generation product. It adopts a Qualcomm 6nm processor and runs the Android 14 embedded system for smooth operation. Its open ecosystem supports the installation of most apps on the market. The new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module supports automatic frequency hopping and MCS autonomous dynamic adjustment, providing a transmission range of up to 30 kilometers. We can see that even with large stick movements, the drone is still able to maintain excellent stability. G30 also supports a rich set of interfaces including optical fiber Type-C, SIM card, RJ45 Ethernet port, PPM, USB-A, GRO3 dual serial pass-through, dual Ethernet ports, SBUs, PWM, audio output and more. It provides an SDK development kit, supports video floating windows, and supports ground stations for mainstream flight controllers. Using weather-resistant silicone, matte rubber, stainless steel and ABS materials, it provides excellent ergonomics while also meeting harsh outdoor UAV conditions. The G30 includes dust-proof protection on the body, control switches, and external interfaces to ensure stable and smooth operation in harsh environments. The stability of the CUAV X25 EVO is outstanding. It can maintain stable hovering without losing altitude even at extremely low heights. The Skydroid G30 remote controller and the CUAV X25 EVO flight controller work perfectly together, delivering an excellent flight experience for this test. This concludes the Skydroid G30 and CUAV X25 flight test. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue bringing more UAV equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.